out of my way when I'm blasting my gun. Got 99 bullets, but it only takes one. Got a chrome 45, a razor sharp machete. Like Coca Nostra, the fucking world ain't ready. Get out of my way when I'm blasting my gun. Got 99 bullets, but it only takes one. Murder in the first, premeditated. Like Coca Nostra, the fucking haters hated.
Demand attention like a terrorist with nuclear weapons. It's still $1 billion bill and you a useless investment. Behind every great fortune is a shooter's confession.
Right guys, here's the E34 sides. This side was, so we've got these deep scuffs in there, so we need to roughen it up with like 40 grade. Here, do it a bit on there, Duke. See what it does. So the main thing is to get it flat, and then you're gonna concentrate on smoothing it out. So yeah, don't roughen up this bit anymore. Just concentrate on getting this line out now. Good, mate. Yo guys, what Master Duke is doing now is sanding down the trims with P40. Now, oh, well, he did P40. Seems a bit extreme, but we needed to get all the deep scuffs out, and that's the only way. I think you might need to do 80 first, man. Otherwise this will take 80. Yeah, try and do 80. So at least we can see that there are no significant scuffs there, except here, and we're gonna try and fill them using some super glue. Yeah, try with 80 first. See what happens. Is that 80 definitely?
Yeah, that's 80 that you got.
Okay.
Yeah, about 80, yeah, that.
Yeah, okay.
80, but then I'm thinking of doing, I'll just shoot that. Right there.
Yeah, I think, yeah, that's better, man. It's taking out all the little hairs, and then you sand it down with, yeah. Right, so this is what we've done with the 40 grade, and this is with 80, so you can see it's slowly smoothing out. Then work your way downwards, and then use some high build primer, and should look cushy. Right, when you've roughed it all up and taken out as many scuffs as you can, smooth it down on P1000, and then we're going to use some high build primer on it. And we're also going to try and cover these scuffs with some super glue gel. Right, so we've started off with P40 here, then P80, then P180, and then P1000, just to smooth it out. And this, I mean, it almost looks like hemp. Almost looks like a big joint.
On you like I'm Henry Rollins. Get out of my way when I'm blasting my gun. Got 99 bullets, but it
I don't think it's hemp bumpers. In 1995, I don't think they used hemp.
Surgeons, General Sergeant at Arms, Black Ops, a surgeon dropping hydrogen bombs. Reconnaissance salute, reporter, confirmed kill recorder. 30mm grenade launcher mortar. You weak motherfuckers need to change your material. Serial kill MCs, disease, venereal, imperial lord. Fucking big left cigar. Capo regime, original head on. The all-American, king of late night, Letterman. Medicine for all of your hip-hop endeavors, man. Razor blade in the cheek, machine gun to the Jeep. Jungle warfare using the streets, motherfucker.
Get out of my way when I'm blasting my gun. Got 99 bullets, but it only takes one. Got a chrome 45, a razor sharp machete. Like Coca Nostra, the fucking world ain't ready. Get out of my way when I'm blasting my gun. Got 99 bullets, but it only takes one. Murder in the first, premeditated. Like Coca Nostra, the fucking haters hated.
Demand attention like a terrorist with nuclear weapons. It's still $1 billion bill and you a useless investment. Behind every great fortune is a shooter's confession. If only the Lord knows, don't continue to bless them. Wet them with holy water, stolen Soviet automatics. The mortars from Odessa, from street corners to boroughs. It's the extra special. To these bitches, my dick is existential. Porno director, let bitches know if they have potential. Like Coca Nostra, I walk around with the chrome toaster so coked up. My nose is totally fucking frozen. Drug music like the coke rock my uncle would smoke. Got junkies doing the robot for
front door. I used to love her, now I wanna smother when I see all the bastard styles that she's mothered. Fuck the Dalai Lama, it's the drama starter. I'll blow the spot like an Al Oxamata. Better lock up your guns, hide away your daughter. Keep the Irish boy away from the fire water, cause the fire water numb the Irishman pain. It's the samurai druid from the Highland Plain. Like William Wallace and Michael Collins beat you down, scream on you like I'm Henry Rollins.
But it just kind of leaves all these hairs out. So I got us some plastic primer. Where is it? Some of this stuff. Another sand down with P1000, and then maybe primer again, or just start painting. Anyway, it's a bit of an experiment, this one. So before you do that, before you start painting, always clean it. I use a degreaser. Get all the grease and shit off of it, so your primer sticks to it nicely. So we're gonna prime it. See what happens. Maybe give it. Alright, let's see what happens with a bit of plastic primer. Fucking hell, no wonder nothing was happening, guys. See, don't smoke weed. Or don't smoke maybe too much or too little weed before you paint, because you might get confused a lacquer with the primer. So no wonder fuck all was happening. So quickly, just before it dries, chucked some degreaser on there. Degreaser works for everything, by the way. If you got sore ass, use some degreaser on it. Fucking will help. Anyway, try again. Get some grey plastic primer. Shake it up. Let's see what happens now. We'll primer it. You can still see all the shit that you need to scrub out, but at least they'll scrub out better. The surface won't be as hairy. How to describe it? Plastic will cover up all these little scuffs, so use quite a bit of it. Little trick, dudes. Where you've got deep scuffs, try and fill them with some primer. For example, here, this one. Try and just build it up. Here. Now it's smaller. Let it dry. Do it again, just build up the layers. If it's not even, sand it down. But I've put quite a fat coat on there. So we'll leave it to dry. With it build up a little bit more. If there are any more indentations in there, and then sand it down. Hopefully you'll get it nice and smooth. It's not looking bad. Okay, we waited for the primer to dry. Obviously all this will be sanded down Hopefully this will be easier to sand down now. It will be harder surface. Now we're gonna play a little trick. I don't want to go and buy a whole can of filler, as I only need to do this. Basically, I'm just trying to fill this with some super glue gel. All these scuffs, where are they? Yeah, so try and fill this. That when it dries, we will sand it down.
I swear hip-hop got me looking at the front door. I used to love her, now I wanna smother when I see all the bastard styles that she's mothered. Fuck the Dalai Lama, it's the drama starter. I'll blow the spot like an Al Oxamata. Better lock up your guns, hide away your daughter. Keep the Irish boy away from the fire water. Cause the fire water, numb the Irishman pain. It's the samurai druid from the Highland Plain. Like William Wallace and Michael Collins. Beat you down, scream on you like I'm Henry Rollins. Get out of my way when I'm blasting my gun. Got 99 bullets, but it only takes one. Got a chrome 45, a razor sharp machete. Like Hoka Nostra, the fucking world ain't ready. Get out of my way.
Now don't just leave a blob of super glue. Oh, where is it?
Water, cause the fire water, numb the Irishman pain. It's the samurai druid from the Highland Plain. Like William Wallace and Michael Collins. Beat you down, scream on you like I'm Henry Rollins. Get out of my way when I'm blasting my gun. Got 99 bullets, but it only takes one. Got a chrome 45, a razor sharp machete. Like Hoka Nostra, the fucking world ain't ready. Get out of my way when I'm blasting my gun. Got 99 bullets, but it only takes one. Murder in the first, premeditated. Like Hoka Nostra, the fucking haters.
This is like filling a doing a filling in a tooth really at the dentist. And then you're gonna sand it down. Alright, we'll see the results tomorrow. So make sure your lines are all filled in, let it dry, and sand it down. Oh yeah, baby. The side panels are cooking. Gonna be nice and glossy, not all scratched up and grey like they were. About an hour's job, guys, even less. Make your ride look much better. Do it yourself.